Hi everyone, I welcome you all for this Nursing Wisdom channel. Today we are going to see about the benefits of curry leaves on hair health. Curry leaves are loaded with properties which can work wonders for your hair and lead to hair growth. Let's see the benefits of curry leaves on hair health one by one. First one is prevent hair fall. The protein and beta carotene present in curry leaves help in increasing hair growth and reducing the hair fall. Next one is nourish damaged hair. Use of curry leaves help in restoring the moisture and also helps in strengthening the hair follicles. Prevent graying. Vitamin B in curry leaves are strengthening and nourishing the hair and also helps in delaying the hair graying process. For conditioning dry hair, coconut oil boiled with a few curry leaves in it is a great way of providing deep conditioning to dry and dull hair. Reduce impact of harmful chemicals on hair. Curry leaves help the hair follicles to retain their natural moisture and prevent the damage to the hair. Reduce thinning of hair. Being rich in beta carotene and protein, curry leaves are excellent for making your hair thicker. Next one is good antioxidant for hair. Curry leaves have ample antioxidant properties. The antioxidants are helpful in reducing follicle damage and also help in promoting hair growth. Repair hair. Curry leaves make the hair follicles stronger by providing them with deep nourishment. With regular usage, they help in repairing hair damage by making the hair healthier and shinier. Benefits the hair shaft. Vitamin B6 and nutrients present in curry leaves protect the hair shaft and hair roots. To get the abundant benefits of curry leaves, how to use curry leaves? Here are some ways to use curry leaves for hair growth. We can prepare curry leaf paste and use as hair mask. We can prepare curry leaf oil and use as hair tonic, or can add curry leaf in your diet. Curry leaf hair mask. Curry leaves hair mask give you bouncy and shiny hair. To make this hair mask, all you need is curd mixed with curry leaves. How to prepare curry leaf mask? First take a handful of curry leaves. Next blend the curry leaves into a thick paste. You need to add 1 tablespoon of curry leaf paste to 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt depending on the length of your hair. You need to mix the two ingredients well until they form a paste of smooth consistency. Apply the mask and massage your scalp. Just make sure that all of your hair is covered in it from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. You can use this hair mask once a week to boost scalp health and make your hair soft and shiny. Curry leaf hair tonic oil. Healthy hair requires a healthy and clean scalp to grow well. That is why it is important to oil your hair regularly. How to prepare curry leaf oil? First take a handful of curry leaves. Next take a pan and pour the coconut oil into it and add the curry leaf to it. Heat the oil until you see a black residue forming around the leaves. Once done, turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down. After the tonic is cool, strain it. You can now apply it to your hair. You can gently massage your scalp with your fingertips. Apply the oil for an hour and then rinse it with the shampoo. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. Add curry leaves in diet. You can eat 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves daily. You can prepare curry leaf powder and add to various dishes that you prepare. You can prepare curry leaf curry, curry leaf chutney, curry leaf idli powder, curry leaf rice, curry leaf pakoda, curry leaf buttermilk, curry leaf tea, curry leaf dosa, and etc. I hope you will enjoy this video. Use curry leaf regularly to your hair and get the abundant benefits of curry leaf. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.